guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. For today's video, I'm gonna share you guys how to wear printed pants, especially long pants for the summer. To be honest, I'm a scared person. I rarely wear pants, but these guys are exception because they are comfortable and their fabric is kind of silky, so I don't like to wear them. They are so comfortable because they have the elastic band at the waist. Besides, they have like a bold and kind of eye-catching print, so it makes the whole outfit look more interesting and look cool. Yeah, so these guys are my favorite, especially when I just go for a walk and just go for grocery shopping. I need to go outside and I need to wear something. At the time, I just grab a pair of printed pants and I match that with a t-shirt. Then I look good. So yeah, so these are my secrets. Anyway, without much further ado, let's get right into it. Outfits I prepared for you guys for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I'm still struggling with the ulcer on my tongue, so I hope you understand I sound a bit weird. Oh, I'm melting. I hope you don't see my sweat. Anyway, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.